Tomcat is a web application server running for a Java-based app. We'll learn how to install Tomcat on macOS by using package downloader and then the Homebrew. We'll see how to start and stop Tomcat server from macOS library and then how to change default port from 8080 to 8081 or 8090. And finally, we'll see how to start Tomcat server automatically when log into the macOS. You will have step-by-step process how to do installation Tomcat PDF, link in the description, which you can download. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Let's get it started. What you need to know, one is basic Linux kernel, knowledge of Mac terminal, Java is installed on the macOS. These are not mandatory, but good to have. Before installation of Tomcat, we need to verify if Java is installed by giving Java-version. As you see in the screen, it's displayed the version number. Same way you can verify the Homebrew by using brew-v. There is another way to verify if Java is installed on the Mac OS. Go to the system preference and click on that. It will open a pop-up window where you could see the Java icon is in there. So that means the Java installed successfully. Then after, go to the browser and type tomcat.apache.org. Then you see the Tomcat 10 is the latest one. Scroll down under the core, click on the zip file to download. Once the file is downloaded, I've created a Tomcat folder under documents, so I'll keep this download file under the Tomcat and extract the file and delete the zip file as it's not required. Then go to the terminal and navigate to this path. So cd, documents, then Tomcat, then Apache Tomcat 10, then bin folder. And verify the files by using ls-ltr. So you could see the sh command doesn't have the executable rights. So to do that, so first let's find out all sh files. So ls-l star.sh. Then to do the permission, do sudo chmod 777 star.sh. So it will ask the password, the login password. You can give that password. Then again write ls-la star.sh. So you could see now all sh files having the permissions read, write, and execute. So to start the Tomcat server, we can do /startup.sh. And you could see the Tomcat started, the server is started. So go to the browser and type localhost 8080. So you'll see after some time the Tomcat server homepage will be loaded. Now you can see in the screen, to stop the server, again /shutdown.sh. So now go to the browser and refresh the page. You see the page will not be displayed. Now let's see how to install Tomcat by using Homebrew. So go to the root directory and search for the file called .bash_profile, where basically we set it up the Java path. If the file is not there, you can create by using syntax touch and the file name. Let's see the content of the file by using cat.bash_profile. It will show the path, the Java path, which you could see here. It's called export java_home, and there's the path. Need to set it up to work. Then also we can see the Java version number by typing the syntax Java-version. It will show which version is installed in the system. Then to install the Tomcat, the syntax is brew install Tomcat. Sometime while installing the first time, you might face some of the problems or the errors. So I have documented those errors in the PDF file, step-by-step process, which you can download from the description and follow the all the steps how to install. So it's getting installed now, downloading all the packages. Now it's installed and the path where it's installed. So now I was talking about this document. So here you might face like this problem, and to resolve this you can type the syntax and it will resolve the issue. Then after that, to update the brew, you can type the syntax brew update. It will update all the packages. Then come back again and type the syntax brew install Tomcat. Now go to the path where it's installed, cd user local seller Tomcat, the version number, and go to the bin folder. Inside the bin you'll find a directory called Catalina. Catalina is nothing but interface between Tomcat and Servlet. We'll talk more about in upcoming videos. Then to start the Tomcat now, we need to type the Catalina start. So Tomcat server will be started. Now go to the browser, type localhost colon 8080. The Tomcat homepage should be loaded. And to stop the server, we need to type Catalina stop. Go to the browser again and refresh the page. You could see unable to connect. Now let's see how to start and stop Tomcat from macOS library. Go to the root directory and navigate to this path, cd user local seller Tomcat, the version number, then leave exec, then the bin. Then after that, do ls-l to start the Tomcat, period / startup.sh. Tomcat is started. Go to the browser, type localhost colon 8080. The Tomcat server should be started and homepage should be loaded. Great. Then to stop that, then shutdown.sh. Go to the browser, refresh the page. You could see unable to connect. Now let's see how to change default port 8080 to different port number. So go to the root directory and navigate to cd user local seller Tomcat, then the version number 10.0.21, and then leave exec, then conf. Then do ls-l and find the server.xml. So to open this file in editor, it's nano server.xml, and search for port number 8080. To search this, you can do Ctrl W and search 8080. So and go to the change 8080 to 8090 to a different port number. To access the Tomcat, instead of 8080, we now will access Tomcat server through 8090. So save this file, Ctrl O, then Ctrl X. Come out from the file. Then go to cd ... then go cd to cd bin, and ls-l, then startup.sh to start the Tomcat server. Press enter. Tomcat is started. Go to browser and type localhost colon 8080. You could see now this is not working because we have changed the port number. So now do 8090, it should work. Great. So now it's access to 8090. To stop the server, again, shutdown.sh. And once this executed, go to the browser and refresh the page. It should say unable to connect. Now let's verify how to log into the Tomcat server automatically when log into the macOS. Before that, let's revert back the port number from 8090 to 8080. So navigate to user local sailor Tomcat, the version number, leave exec and conf, and search for the port number 8090 by pressing Ctrl W and revert back the port number to 8080. So change 8090 to 8080. Then save the file, Ctrl O by pressing Ctrl O. Then come out from the file, Ctrl X. Now go to the root directory, cd tilde. Then to start the Tomcat server automatically, the syntax is brew services stat tomcat. So it will start automatically when you log into the system. So once this server is started, go to the browser and type localhost colon 8080 because we changed the port number, so it should work now. The Tomcat homepage is loaded. That's great. Then if you don't want to start the Tomcat server, you want to stop it, so type syntax brew services stop tomcat and press enter. It will stop the Tomcat server. Now go to the browser and refresh the web page. It will show the unable to connect. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you find this video is useful. Do not forget to like and comment, and also do not forget to download the Tomcat installation PDF. Thanks. Namaste.